The Epson SureColor S9130 now includes 3 new features in Epson Edge Print PRO, designed to refine print quality and expand color accuracy for more vibrant results. These features help you achieve even greater precision and consistency in every print. This mode enhances the small font text to make it more precise and increase legibility. To do so, first launch Epson Edge Print PRO. Add a job. Go to Basic Settings to adjust print settings accordingly to requirement. Check Text Sharpness option to enable Text Sharpness mode. Click Print to send job to printer. As you can see, smaller font-sized text are now sharper and more legible. This mode enhances the printed image to reduce graininess and improve gradation. Open Epson Edge Print PRO. Add a job. Go to Basic Settings to adjust print settings accordingly to requirement. Under Print Quality drop-down menu, select Smooth Graininess option. Adjust print dimensions accordingly to your requirement. Click Print to send job to printer. Using this mode enhances gradation and texture in prints. Epson Wide Gamut version 3. This mode, which is automatically enabled in Edge Print PRO, provides a wider color space not found in SDS 8670L to achieve at least 95% of Pantone coverage. With these 3 new features in Epson Edge Print PRO, your print can now be sharper and more vibrant with eye-catching signage applications.